What's the post-election update on abortion? What's the legal update on abortion? Well, let's find out.
Welcome to Attorney911, the podcast. With attorney Ralph Manginello. Let's get some answers to the most asked questions. We break down the legal issues and provide expert advice to help you navigate life's legal challenges. You might even call us your first responder to a legal emergency. Up next, real-world cases, valuable insights, and practical tips you can use today. It's time to get smart like a lawyer.
As many of you know, the Supreme Court struck down Roe v. Wade, and I believe it was a Planned Parenthood case, and basically gave the rights to the states to make abortion law. And what's happened is certain states have passed bans on abortion, including Texas. And we're getting a lot of questions. Is abortion illegal in Texas? And a Texas law went into effect in 2022, making it illegal to have an abortion in Texas. What does that mean? Well, are there exceptions to that? Well, under Chapter 170A of the Texas Health and Safety Code, there are no exceptions to that. Some states with abortion bans have exceptions for rape and incest. Texas does not. There are exceptions for the health of the mother and safety of the child. It's a very detailed step-by-step exception. You can look that up online under Chapter 170 of the Texas Health and Safety Code. But the fact of the matter is, point blank, that abortions are illegal in Texas. I know that Louisiana has very strict laws, and then along the South, it's very strict. There are certain states that are allowing them longer term. I don't have a list of all those states in front of me, but one of the things that we're also getting questions about is what are the penalties? What happens to someone who moves forward, with an abortion, let's say in Texas? What would happen to the doctor? What would happen to the person? From my cursory research, what I found is nothing would happen to the person seeking the abortion, but the doctor could and would face felony charges depending on the stage of the fetus and if it dies or not. And then the doctor could lose their medical license, could be revoked. And then the doctor's also subject to a $100,000 fine. So very, very severe penalties facing any doctor that was willing to move forward with an abortion. I am not, an abortion attorney. I don't know the laws other than what I've told you. We specialize in personal injury here, but if you had any questions where it needed help or you had a legal emergency, if we couldn't help you, we would find someone that could. I hope that I provided you with some information that may help you make decisions or further your research into the topic.
You just learned something new. Attorney911, the podcast, with attorney Ralph Manginello. We hope you found today's conversation insightful and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the show so you'll never miss an episode, and share it with family and friends who might benefit from the things we talk about. A new podcast launches every week. That means you get more legal tips, real-life cases, and expert advice. This is Attorney911, the podcast.